Before we go ahead in the videos, I just want to let you know that I am using my own router for the demonstration purposes. I'm not hacking and harming anyone while making this video. So I don't recommend you guys to perform this attack on any router which you don't own. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can crack the password of WPA to 5 GHz Wi-Fi routers. Now the first thing that we need to figure out is we need a USB Wi-Fi adapter that should be capable of transmitting the signals on 5 GHz, and it should also be capable of going into the monitor mode. Let's say if you have just recently bought a USB adapter, then how you can actually check if your USB adapter supports the monitor mode and it also supports the 5 GHz frequency. For that, what you will have to do is you will have to type in a command called iwlist wlen0 frequency, where wlen0 is my interface. You would probably have wlen1 or wlen2 if you have more than one USB adapter connected to your VMware. Enter your password, and here you can see, guys, I have all those available frequencies where there are so many 2.4 GHz frequency, and we also have 5 GHz frequency, which means this USB adapter can transmit and receive the signals on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz as well. Now I think it should be on the monitor mode. Let me just verify it with the IW command, and you can see, guys, wlen0 mon is there. Now, if you want to check 5 GHz Wi-Fi routers, then you have to enter a command called sudo aircrack-ng, and you also have to specify the band, and the band would be A, followed by the monitor mode interface wlen0 mon. That's it, enter. Here is my mobile phone, and I have set up a network name as testap5g, which is running on WPA2 personal security, and it is only transmitting its signal on the 5 GHz. If I will be able to see that test AP into my aircrack-ng, then in that case my monitor mode will be working perfectly along with the 5 GHz frequency search. So you can see, guys, this is my test AP5G. So I'm gonna press Ctrl C over here. Now I want to capture the handshake of this Wi-Fi router. For that, what I'll do is I'll quickly run a scan on this router. Here I've written a command called aircrack-ng, where I'm specifying the BSS ID is the MAC address of the Wi-Fi router which I want to attack on. So here is the MAC address, and the channel is 157, and I'm writing the handshake into the test AP handshake 5G, and I also need to specify the monitor mode interface, and that is wlen0 mon. So I'll hit enter on it, and I will wait for someone to connect to this Wi-Fi router. I'm trying to connect my iPhone to this Wi-Fi router so that I could capture the handshake. I have clicked on join, and as you can see, guys, we have got the WPA handshake as well. Now I'll press Ctrl C. Now we need to use this file to crack the password, and here I have the 11 characters word list. So I'm gonna run the aircrack-ng attack. Here you can see, guys, I've used a command called aircrack-ng, and here I need to specify the name of the handshake which we have captured for that 5G router, and now we need to specify the word list with -w, and I have created a custom word list with 11 characters cracking the password of this Wi-Fi router. So hit enter on it. As you can see, guys, aircrack-ng is cracking 7,500 keys per second. I'm using this Kali Linux in the virtual machine, so the cracking process is slow, and I think this word list was having 41 lakh password, so it will eventually take some time to crack the password. And as you can see, guys, we have been able to crack the password, and the password is router@123#. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. I will see you in the next one.